Welcome my YouTube channel. 1. Enhance microcirculation. The 810 nanometers laser irradiation improves DNA-RNA ratio of the tissue cells, promotes tissue cell regeneration and angiogenesis, resulting in tissue regeneration and better blood circulation. Therefore, it can promote metabolism of the affected area and lead to the pain-causing substance carry out of the body faster. 2. Strong analgesia. The laser irradiation can relieve chronic and acute pain rapidly due to it activates the brain endorphin energy systems, increases the metabolism of the brain endorphin. In addition, the laser promotes tissue metabolism, increases oxygen saturation, thus relieve pain. 3. Modulate inflammation. The laser irradiation improves microcirculation and metabolism that has effect on reducing the permeability of blood vessel cell in order to alleviate inflammation exudation rate and degree. In addition, it activates the function of macrophage systems that it helps to improve immunity function. Therefore, the laser irradiation has anti-inflammatory effect. 4. Enhanced development of granulation tissue. The laser irradiation speeds up recovery of injuries and wound healing due to it stimulates mast cells and macrophages to release growth factors and other substances, such as the proliferation of fibroblasts, endothelial cells and keratinocytes maintained in adverse conditions are stimulated. The development of granulation tissue is mainly controlled by growth factors released from macrophages. 5. Reduce swelling. The laser irradiation increases blood and lymph flow, reduces the amount of excess tissue protein and fluid, and improves affected tissue performance. 6. Deep penetration site. The wavelength of GY7189 semiconductor laser treatment instrument is 810 nanometers. It is within the frameworks of the wavelength window of human body. In this range, the laser can penetrate 7 centimeters into the tissue of human body. Therefore, the laser can be used for deep lesion of the body. Applications: trigeminal neuralgia, scapulohumeral periarthritis, frozen shoulder, tennis elbow, cervical spondylosis, lumbar disc herniation, arthritis, soft tissue injury, heel pain, acute lumbar sprain, intercostal neuralgia, diabetic and skin ulcers, burns, open wounds, fibromyalgia, etc. We choose the power based on below points. Choose high power laser, 300 to 500 mW, such as muscle strain, sports injury, cervical spondylosis, protrusion of lumbar intervertebral disc. Only apply for initial stage, tennis elbow, scapulohumeral periarthritis, rheumatoid joint pain, soft tissue injury, painful heel. Choose middle power laser, 200 to 400 mW, such as prosopalgia, pelvic inflammation, prostatitis, hospital instrument applied most. Home use instrument also use. Choose low-level laser, 100 to 250 mW, skin diseases. Some sensitive place such as face, neck. Indications of use. The energy emitted provides temporary increase in microcirculation, temporary relief of local muscle and joint aches, pains and stiffness, relaxation of muscles. For muscle spasms, pain and stiffness associated with arthritis. This machine of laser pain relief instrument is based on laser physical therapy, is used as an adjuvant therapy for acute and chronic diseases, neuropathic pain and dysfunction, acute and chronic sports injury, rheumatism, rheumatis, infectious and non-infectious inflammation and skin diseases, etc. Contraindications. This instrument should not be used in patients suffering from malignant tumors disease, should not be used on the human body part of eye and thyroid, and should not be used on abdomen and lumbosacral location of pregnant women. Laser pain relief instrument is a revolutionary treatment option that combines 810 nanometers and 650 nanometers laser light to provide not only fast pain relief from all kinds of pain diseases from back, shoulder, ankle, wrist, neck, elbow or knee, but also lasting pain relief from long-term ailments often responsible for years of suffering. What's more, it's easy and convenient to use. Thanks for watching.